French door dog doors are the ultimate solution to turn your glass patio door into a pet-accessible door. The Plexidor one-piece glass door insert seamlessly replaces the glass panel in your current exterior glass house door. If you're not a skilled do-it-yourselfer, contact us for expert installers in the US and Canada. French door dog doors are designed for use in standard 80 and 96-inch single-panel clear glass or low-E glass patio doors. If you're unsure of your current door and the proper fit, call us. We can help. Plexidor French door dog doors are available in small, medium, large, and extra large to accommodate every dog breed worldwide. Available in white and bronze, you'll love how beautiful this product looks in your home. All the pet doors are safe and secure and can be easily locked and unlocked. Call us to get started today. Order your French door dog doors by calling 888-PET-DOOR or by visiting plexidors.com. Dealers love us. You will too.